welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, aka Budget Birdie, and on this channel I do budgeting and planning videos. So if that's your cup of tea, then grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's jump right in. Do you like that intro? I feel like it's cute, like the whole cup of tea thing, but let me know. Let me know if you hate it, Anyway, yeah, October budgeting. I truly cannot believe it's already October. I feel like just yesterday it was July. How is it October? I feel like my entire youth is just being sucked up by the pandemic. Like my youth is just withering away in the pandemic. Let's jump right into the budget. If you're new here, I just do a super simple zero-based budget in my bullet journal, and I do per paycheck budgeting, but I also just do a monthly overview at the beginning of every month. That's going to help me determine how I'm going to budget each pay period. So really I budget like twice in the month and then like once in the beginning of the month, if that makes sense. I don't know if it does. Let's just jump in. I'm rambling. She's rambling already. So my income at the beginning of, or my income every month is the exact same. I'm salaried. So it is always going to be $2,700. Oh my gosh, not my pen not working. Like she's not giving what she's supposed to give. Let's try this one. So yeah, there we go. So $2,794. I've written that number so many times at this point. It's just always that number. I do tithe every month, and I just take out 10% for that. So $280, and I do round up. I round up all of my numbers. I just find that it makes it easier. So I don't include any cents on this budget. So let's move on to fixed expenses. So my fixed expenses for the month, well, they're the same as last month. So my car insurance is the first one, and that is $362. Next, I have my internet bill, which is $114. My cell phone bill, which I feel like every video I'm just like talking about how that number is so high, but it is what it is. My bank account, like my bank fee, is $16. My Disney Plus subscription is $14. But the T is, tell me how that number used to be 12. Like I'm pretty sure last month it was 12. So I'm just confused because they keep raising the price. And like I remember when I first got Disney Plus like a year ago, it was $9, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know if they're trying to be sneaky and pull a fast one over me, but like I see you, Disney Plus. I see that you're raising the price.
Getting tired now, though, to me. In the beginning, I was like, okay, it's cool.
I kind of want to cancel it, but I've been watching The Proud Family lately. So it's going to stick around for now. But Disney Plus, I see you. Just so you know. Spotify is $6. And I've already calculated all of the totals for the categories. So this category of fixed expenses, the total comes to $632. Now let's move on to variable expenses. So our first one, as always, I'm doing $200 for groceries. And if you watched my October budget prep video, I talked about how I really want to try to stick to my grocery budget. That's just kind of my perpetual goal, is just to like stick to that budget and plan ahead. For personal care, I'm budgeting $40. Now, I do want to get box braids this month, like either at the end of this month or the beginning of next month. And if you have ever had box braids, because I'm doing them myself, you know that you need to purchase like packs of hair, like Shine and Jam, mousse, all that kind of stuff. I already have most of the stuff needed though. I just need probably just like a couple more packs of hair. So I think $40 should be okay. Oh, and I need like some mousse as well. But I think I have everything else that I would need. Black women, if you like, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think it should be good. But the last time I did box braids on my own, they turned out very much not good. They were actually very bad. They looked very bad. Next, we have clothing. I am budgeting. How much am I budgeting? I'm budgeting $75 for clothing. It's just so sad that like none of my clothes fits because I definitely gained the quarantine 15, and I'm just trying to like build up my wardrobe at the moment. So yeah, 75 for clothing. For my family category, which is just kind of my contributions to the household, because I don't pay rent, and I do live at home. So I'm budgeting $100 for that. And for gas, I am budgeting $100. It should be good because my car is really good on gas. For fun, I'm budgeting $80 this month. That should be good. I actually do have plans to see friends like a few times this month, but I don't think we'll be spending very much money. And I have one friend who has a birthday this month, but we really don't do gifts. And she also said she does not want to do anything for her birthday. Like, she was very clear about that. So $80, yeah, that should be good for the month. The only thing is Thanksgiving's coming up, but I'm probably just gonna make like a dessert or something for that, and that'll probably just be in my grocery budget. And something that I've been liking lately is having a miscellaneous category. So that's new that I've been doing. I've really been liking that. So I'm doing $40 just for any like random little expenses that come up that don't really fit into any of the other categories. So maybe like, you know, tech items and just like things that I might need throughout the month. Next is my cushion, and I'm budgeting $40 for that. And our total for variable expenses is $775. So now let's move on to our sinking funds. So our first sinking fund is Amazon Prime, which is billed annually, so that's going to be $8. Next, we have car maintenance, which is $100. CAA, budgeting $10 for that. And I have a new budget item, or a new sinking fund, which is my winter tires. And for that, I am budgeting $100. And then for Christmas, I am budgeting $100. And Christmas is like, it's really coming up now. Like, I feel like now that it's getting cold, I'm just like, I'm ready for Hallmark movies. I'm ready for like mulled wine and like hot apple cider. Like, that's just the vibe. That's just the vibe right now. For vacay, I am budgeting. Did I just say fudgeting? I am fudgeting, I guess, $50 for vacay. And then I do need a new winter jacket, so I am budgeting $100 for that. And I have been saving that for the last like 2.5 months. And I'll probably purchase that at the end of this month. So I'm excited for that. So the total for our sinking funds category is going to be $368. Our final expense is going to be retirement, and I budget, as always, $50 to be put into a Wealthsimple investment account. And then our total for all of our expenses, so our tithe plus our fixed expenses plus variable expenses plus sinking funds plus retirement, comes to $2,105. Now what I always do is just subtract that total from our total income and that amount is $689. So we have $689 left after all of our expenses. And what I'm going to do with that, as always, is put that extra amount toward my debt, specifically my line of credit. And if you want to know more about that, then check out my debt confession video where I talk about my debt and how I'm planning to tackle that. And if you watch the video, you'll see that I have student loans as well, but I don't have to start paying those off until next month. But next month is really soon, and it's like giving me hives thinking about the fact that I have to start paying off my student loans. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to talk to you very soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!